You guys, it is Saturday morning and I am here at the farmers market and I am all set up. So if you would like to create your own bouquet and pick fresh flowers from our flower farm, visit us at the Dallas Farmers Market. A beautiful couple here with us, and he's been planning this for her for over a week, you guys, to create her own bouquet. So what is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is actually this gorgeous orange thistle.
Okay.
I cook with it, but I'm just gonna obsessively watch it.
Okay. All right.
I don't have a favorite flower. I don't know anything about flowers.
Okay.
But my goal was to watch her be an artist.
Okay.
And the fact that you have so many options, I personally enjoyed. It's like she's painting and I'm just watching. The fact that you have these options is insane.
Thank
you. It was a really flagrant flower that I really loved here too. So
find us. How did you hear about All Things Flowers?
Multiple people recommended you just by word of mouth when speaking of flowers. She likes weird shaped flowers and creating things.
Okay.
So finding that, I'm like, I don't know how to do that. So I asked every single female I knew that I see on a regular basis where to find something like that.
Okay.
You came up mainly. Found your Instagram, the passion, and you respond immediately to messages.
Yeah.
So you're a creator, how you are as an entrepreneur. It made it even more meaningful to come support you.
Thank you.
You already being spoken for.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And she's creating some beautiful bouquets, you guys. These are the bouquets that she created.
Thank you so much. This is so much fun.
You're welcome. Y'all have a blessed one.
Thank you.
Hi, we're part of the Dallas Cotillion Club and we're hosting our Friendsgiving tomorrow for all of our members.
Yay.
The Dallas Cotillion Club is a 50c3 nonprofit that supports a lot of different things, including the Genesis Women's Shelter, Dallas Pets Alive. We're a social volunteer group and we've been around since 1944. Yeah.
Wow, yay!
We're so excited. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, so it's been a busy market and we've sold 5 mason jars so far, and the U-Pick is going really well. We have a bucket that's sold out already, and the bouquets that I've been making, they have been selling as I make them, so it's been a really good market this week. So the flower perfumes have been selling like crazy. I've constantly been restocking the perfumes and they're constantly selling. So we have just sold out on our last men's fragrance, the new fragrance called Paradise. We still have our signature fragrance here, and we still have, you know, just because the rose isn't really selling today, we're gonna see what happens tomorrow at the Sunday's market. What I love about our farmers market is that it's a community. So, you know, if you're hungry, we have vendors looking out for one another. So I just got some good Thai or Filipino food from Miss Williams back there. So yeah, we're all working together, and then I got a juice from my friends right behind me here. So I love the community of vendors that we have here at the market. Hey guys, so at the market, this is how I stay hydrated. Say hi to my friends. Nature's Body Fuel, yes. Yes, best green juice in Dallas. Guys, literally no lie. And then I just got delivered this hot dog from another vendor. Like, I'm just being so blessed. I love our community here at the Dallas Farmers Market. All of the vendors are so sweet and we look out for one another. So I'm about to get down. You guys, so no lie, this has definitely been a blessed market. So I just got done making all these bouquets, and we only have like 2 flowers left. So I'm going to show you the bouquets that I made. But I had my Muslim friend bring me some tasty, I forgot what she called it, but I can't wait to try it. Guys, as you can see, I have my 2 oldest with me at the market today. I have my bouquets placed like this. I'm going to see if people are interested in buying, you know, if they're even looking that way. If they start to not sell, you guys, I'm going to improvise and I'm going to set them here in these buckets. Alright, so now we're down to just 2 bouquets and 1 eucalyptus left. So I'm super excited, and it's only 11 o'clock. Look at my babies. Miss Williams put them to work. Hey guys, so I've been waiting over a month to say this. We are officially sold out. So yay! We are sold out, you guys. We're sold out! Yay! Now at home, and I'm so thankful to God that we ended up selling out because it's supposed to rain today. And it also gave me and the kids a chance to walk around the market and support some of our local small businesses. Felt really good to support some of the vendors there. So that was super cool. And the business tip for this week, you guys, was improvise. So I had my bouquet set up one way, but I'm like, okay, let me try to switch them, and I placed them a certain way, and it got them sold quicker. So placement, if you're selling at a shop, if you're selling at your booth, the way that you place your items, pay attention, because as the customers are walking in a certain direction, the way that you have your items placed could make all the difference, you guys, in the way that you're set up. So I hope this business tip helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so happy to finally say it, and I'm going to keep saying it, that we sold out. I am so happy and I'm so thankful. Thank you guys for watching. And if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and learn more. Watch us grow. And if you guys would please support the channel by giving us a thumbs up. And as always, you guys, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and I have houseplants, but flowers. See you guys in the next video.